Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila ban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra.
President ng United Democratic Party uba Metbah lingdo hak nyotrik naila aja apulai ula Kyntait Ïathuh lagi artli ki syuki Myntri onya sam ne am hapadang ki khat arngot ki MLA jong ka party hak je kran biglat pathai khubor uba Metbah ulong magani gari ka kampo yeng jong ka party bat gidan ki benta ki ba party kan hak banyak kran hitang Hapoh yeng klam ta pau perthai sabar ya menta ka UDP gidan arngot ki Myntri Hapoh sarkar MDA balai alam de konrat sang ma ku Myntri rangba kata uba polling do ubelu MLA jong West Shillong but ubak kermenchla ubelu MLA na clear.
Let's carry on now what we have right now. The future, politics future, nobody knows. Internal matter of the party. There are a few things which we have to keep with ourselves. I'm denying or not denying. The question of denying or not denying does not arise at all. Does not arise. It's an internal party. So we will decide everything at the appropriate time. Whatever decisions that we make for the party. It is always for the interest of the people, always for the interest of the state. That's all. It's just been 3 months, not even 3 months old also. Still a long way to go. Let's see. The party have not decided anything as far as the party is concerned. So as of now, I have nothing to say. Let the new body decide what they have to decide. This is concerned. To me, this oppose never comes. I will accept whatever fair practice to be conducted as far as the selection of the new office bearers of the party. Let us work out the plan, and then as a party we will decide together. Me as a president, always I always in this last three years plus, we had a team. And the team decides. And why I am saying so, reason is because whatever decision made by the team, we always could succeed in any kind of attempts that we have made. There is a process to be followed as far as the constitution is concerned of the party. So that has to be followed, and that will be followed religiously. If that is the case, as reported by you, so I should say that I have to say that the party as a whole is, or maybe from some section of the leaders in the party felt that I have to continue. I will definitely continue. But to me, personally, if you ask this question, I would say straight away that we will be having a regional council on the 12th, this coming Saturday. So, as far as the practice and as far as the constitution is concerned, the regional council will be held, and the nomination committee, those who are members in the nomination committee, will have a say as far as this party is concerned. Not only president, but other office bearers also. We don't have an election. We don't have it. The practice is as such that we never have an election in the UDP. It is by the decision made by the nomination committee. That is the supreme body which elects the office bearers. We will be sitting in the meeting very soon. Well, first of all, I think the members first we will sit and we will work out like the action plan from there. See, I think honestly, I mean, the decision of the people is final, whatever is there. There are a few constituencies we lost by 10 votes, 15 votes, Two constituencies we lost by 70 votes, 100 votes, something like that. So it's all about what the people decides on this. However, it gives us a lot of experiences to see how do we handle those constituencies, that we ensure that in the coming elections we should sail through smoothly without any problem. Sometimes there are different reasons in different constituencies. Sometimes it is because of the party, sometimes it's because of the candidate, sometimes it's because of Miss A, B, C, D, candidates. So, it differs from one constituency to another constituency. It's not the same in all the constituencies. From time to time, okay, which concerns about the interests of the state, and we are part of the government. We will address all those at the right platform, and what best we can do for the party in this next 5 years, as long as we are with the government, we will stick to that. That's what I'm saying. Any matters, any subjects, and even apart from the manifestos, which matters for the interest of the state, we will definitely address those.